Hey ladies, I'm Maya Marie and I'm here to let you all know that you can do it yourself. If you are feeling like you just wake up, you feel bloated, you don't feel yourself, you look in the mirror, you don't really like what you see, you love your face, but you don't like it bloated. If you're just not feeling yourself and you don't want to put a lot of effort and money into your looks, you're at the right place. You're at the right place. Because today, I'm going to be walking you all through all of the things, all of the steps that I took in order to give that seamless, oh, she's put together look every day. When in reality, it didn't take much money, time, or effort. Let's get into it.
Wow.
So get your pens and papers. Ask yourself, what are my goals in terms of looks, in terms of feeling? How do I want to feel? You know, when you look in the mirror as a woman, you want to feel good. You want to feel confident, and don't let anybody make you think differently. Like, oh, you shouldn't care about your looks. No, let's be realistic. When you look in the mirror, you want to say and believe to yourself that you're beautiful. Of course, it should go without saying that the inside is what you need to be replenishing as well as the outside. But today, we're focusing on the physical looks. 1. Bloating. Bloating, I just hear it so much. For me, I thought that I just had a lot of baby fat in my face. And it's true, I still do have baby fat in my face. But that wasn't the whole truth. Like, there was more to it. And so what I decided to look into is lymphatic drainage. I wanted to focus simply on my face first, and then later on get to lymphatic drainage of the whole body. But I wanted to start step by step. That is the overarching key to all of this, is start by doing small things, small steps, small purchases. So I decided to look into gua sha. It is a Chinese healing technique used with a sharp edge tool to get rid of bloating, face puffiness, glowing skin, and muscle relaxation by scraping the skin softly, gently, and allowing circulation and lymphatic drainage. So it sounds complicated, but it's so simple. I just found a quick 10-minute video on YouTube, and I do that every morning. So this is what my gua sha looks like. You don't have to get this exact one. You can literally find. See, that's the thing. Like, I feel like we be making things too complicated in general. Like Amazon, Walgreens, Walmart, Target. Shoot, you might even find it at your local corner store. Then for 10 minutes, just, get to pulling. Okay, so along with the gua sha, I use these caffeine eye masks. So they go under the eyes because I really be struggling with dark circles under the eyes ever since I was younger. Even when I get good sleep, I just really can't get rid of it. And after doing research, I realized that caffeine actually helps to get rid of dark circles under your eye. So if you're interested in the science behind why caffeine works, it's because caffeine is a vasoconstrictor, meaning that it tightens the blood vessels. So that essentially reduces puffiness and it makes the dark circles under your eyes less noticeable. I don't do that every morning because I be forgetting. That's another thing, y'all. If you don't do this stuff every day, it's okay. Like, you sometimes don't even need to be doing that stuff every day. So if you skip a day or two, that's cool. It's not gonna make that big of a difference. Consistency is key. It's not needing to do it every single day. It's just doing it weekly, Like, if I missed a day, oh my gosh, that sucks. But I'll do it the next day and it's perfectly fine. And that goes on with all of these tips that I give y'all moving forward. Period. Next is the body bloating. Like, my stomach be bloating. And I know it's like, oh my gosh, nobody can notice. No, like, I can notice, and that is the only thing that matters. I don't care if nobody else notices that my stomach is bloating after I ate that Big Mac, large fries, and a Diet Coke. It's the fact that I can see that I'm bloating. Before you buy all these products, skincare is what you eat. Your digestive system is directly connected to your skin, to your pores, So, like, we gotta eat good. Aside from that, my girl, the waist trainer. You thinking that your stomach poking out? Really? Girl, your posture is messed up. Your posture is like this. It's the little things. Go get you a waist trainer and do not exercise in your waist trainer. A waist trainer is not to help you while you're exercising. That actually can do more harm than good. So the point of a waist trainer is to make sure that your spine is standing upright, that it is in that perfect line that it should be. I personally like to wear my waist trainer when I'm sitting down doing work, when I'm sitting down at home for no more than an hour a day. So this just helps to avoid slouching, just in situations where you're more likely and more inclined to slouch, maybe when you're eating, maybe when you're watching TV. Just put it on for about an hour a day, because over time you're gonna slouch less and you don't even realize it, but you're engaging your core muscle more. So that helps with the alignment of your spine and just generally your body. Okay, cliche, but I really needed to put it out there. Water. You should be drinking half of your weight in ounces every day. You can add a little sprinkle of that sea salt, a little sprinkle of that Himalayan, to add some minerals. You can add some lemon, you can add some cucumber. By the end of the day, you need to be drinking enough. It's not just what you put in your water or, oh, I drank some. It's the amount. But yeah, the foundations would be water, eating healthy, eating whole foods, and exercising. Literally, those are the foundations of all of this whole video. Okay, let's talk about skin routine. And if you want a detailed video about that, I will be releasing a detailed video because y'all, I just put myself on game. No, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. What's ChatGPT? So in the morning, I got my vitamin C oil. It is helping with the glow. I put that on, then I put my CeraVe. Is it CeraVe? Yeah. I put my CeraVe on. This has sunscreen in it. You need sunscreen every day. This is the anti-aging warrior. Black people need sunscreen too. Don't be like that. Next, we have this product that I don't know how to say. Niacinamide. Close enough. This product helps to close pores. Then we got the nighttime cream. And then lastly, once a week, I like to use my lactic acid. This bad boy is strong and potent. A little goes a long way, and its purpose is to get rid of that texture on your face. The day that I do this, the one day out the week that I use my lactic acid, is the day that I do not use my niacinamide. Okay, so let's talk about hair. So as my hair is getting healthy, I needed to find some protective styles. And a lot of protective styles that I was doing, I realized later on wasn't protective. In order for it to be a protective style, you have to be able to moisturize your hair every day, every other day, every week, depending on what your hair type is. I need a lot of moisture. So I was like, what hairstyle can I do to look good? Don't look like I just woke up and did it myself, but also not have to pay so much money for it. Y'all, I know it's like, maybe this is like obvious, but the half wig is the way to go. The half wig is the way to go. Like, every now and then, get the style that you want. It's just like eating sweets. Like, you don't want to completely take out sweets because you want to live. Same thing. Get the hairstyle you want every now and then, but in order for your hair to breathe, in order for you to moisturize your hair every day, you need to be wearing your hair natural or natural protective styles. Or these half wigs. I'm wearing a half wig right now. Oh, side note, I got a whole tutorial on how I installed this. Y'all, if you don't know nothing about wigs, get a half wig. It was so easy. It took me like 20 minutes max. Okay, so another tip that I do that just gives me a seamless, wow, she really looks put together look, but really didn't put any effort into it look. Like, literally, I be getting compliments like, oh my gosh, girl, you look so good. What is it? It's the lip pencil. I like to do a little overlining to give my lip a little extra plump. And then I do like a little dash of pink, light pink, on the middle of my lip. And it just gives a naturally elevated look. So this pencil that I have is Charlotte Tilbury. Thank you, mommy. I stole it but didn't steal it, if you get what I'm saying. Alongside of the category of makeup, I found that having eyeliner on really does something very subtle. It's very subtle, but it does something to the eye, and what it does is that it snatches the eye. So I just put a little bit of eyeliner in the bottom. I don't really put it at the top because I'm wearing clusters right now, which is my next tip. Every now and then, I say once a month, I decide to put clusters on. Usually I think like what's coming up, what event is coming up, and I try to schedule it out because I really, you don't want to be wearing lashes every day. Seriously, like it does damage to your eye. Let's just be real here. But with lash clusters, you need to have a map that goes according to your eye. Oh, also honorable mention, eyebrow gel to give you that natural laminated look. Who's about to go out and pay money for that? Not me, not yet. I was thinking about it, but we on a budget right now. I know it's not physical, but staying social, replacing social media with a different hobby. So I recently did this. It's a new year. I'm like, I need to get off of TikTok because it's getting a bit ridiculous. And so I've been reading, I've been practicing Spanish. I'm about to find, there's this other hobby, this craft that I want to get into. I've been more social. I've been calling my people up. Like, you need all of those different elements in your life in order for you to glow from the inside out. I hate to be your mama, but the TikTok is draining you physically and mentally. Find other things to give you that glow, to give you that purpose, that energy. So I hope these tips were helpful. Like, I really want y'all to let me know in the comments what you use that's helped you get that glow, help you look put together 24/7. This needs to be a community, y'all. I'm not the expert. I'm just a person that's tried stuff and that's worked. So in the comments, I want y'all to let me know what's worked for you. Give me some tips. Let me know. Let me try it out. You know what I mean? This is a community. I love you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it. See y'all next week. Bye.